Slack is an excellent tool for managing a social media marketing agency, as it streamlines communication, organizes workflows, and integrates with other essential tools. Here's how to use Slack effectively. Create a workspace. Set up a Slack workspace for your agency. Invite team members and clients to appropriate channels for structured communication. Use channels for organization. Create channels for different clients to keep discussions separate. Use internal channels for agency operations. Private channels can be used for sensitive topics or discussions limited to specific team members. Streamline communication. Use threads to reply to specific messages, keeping channels organized. Share campaign updates, analytics reports, and content draft directly in the relevant channels. Automate and integrate. Integrate tools like Google Drive, Trello, or Asana to manage projects and share resources. Set up notifications for client feedback from email or CRM tools using Slack integrations. Enhance productivity. Use Slack reminders and pin messages for deadlines and key documents. Foster client relationships with real-time updates and responses.